Are you wondering how to turn off or on autoplay videos on the Facebook app? Well, do not worry guys, because my name is David from Litex Tech Support, and today this is what I'll be showing you, where to locate these settings inside the Facebook app, which can stop finally the autoplay when you scroll on the feed page, those videos to load. So let's get started. You'll have this menu on the bottom right corner on the iPhone. On the Android is located on the upper right side of the screen. Don't know why, but this is the case if you have an Android. And from now on, the things are the same on iPhone and Android. So let's scroll down until you will locate settings and privacy. Settings again. Then now scroll just a little bit down until you locate media under preferences. Let's head into that. I'll leave an arrow on the screen. And now we just located the autoplay settings. As you can see, when your battery is low, videos stop playing automatically. And right now mine is marked only for stories with sound. And at above I will have on mobile data and Wi-Fi. We can still let videos to play on Wi-Fi only if I mark this one, or if I mark the third one, videos will never be on autoplay. And this is the happy case with Facebook, because if we go on Instagram and let's say you want to do the same thing here on Insta, well, the Instagram doesn't have a setting like that. The only thing that you can do on Instagram, that's just as a bonus. Let's head into settings and privacy, and I think it's at right under media quality. Let's hit that. And now, as you see, mine is marked on, but these settings will help you only, like this will slow videos to load and photos. And if you scroll a little bit faster on the news feed on Insta, you will have a chance that the video will not be shown. I really hope I was being helpful to you in this guide. If I helped you, don't forget to thumbs up the like button, and of course, as always, leave any questions if you have any down right below under this video. Please have a great day.